Welcome to our series about American architectural house styles. This time we'll be looking at ranch houses.
The architectural style known as ranch originated in the United States. It is also known by the terms American ranch, California ranch, rambler or rancher.
Ranch-style homes usually feature single-story floor plans with low-pitched roofs with deep overhanging eaves, simple open floor plans with rectangular U or L-shaped designs, living areas separate from the bedroom areas, a patio or deck connected to the home as well as an attached garage. Some also have tongue and groove roof decking, mixed material exteriors of stucco and brick, wood or stone.
Two-story versions or split-level versions are also available.
The original ranch style was informal and basic in design. However, ranch-style houses built in the United States from around the early 1960s increasingly had more dramatic features. Some of these might include varying roof lines, cathedral ceilings, sunken living rooms, and extensive landscaped grounds.
The ranch residential style first made its appearance in the 1920s. The booming post-war middle class made the choice of ranch style very popular.
This style is often associated with tract housing from around this time, particularly in the southwest United States. The style really caught on and became popular worldwide.
The popularity of this style did start to wane in the late 20th century. Non-eclectic house styles featuring historical and traditional decoration became more popular.
Commercial ranch buildings, such as supermarkets and strip malls, typically follow the residential style, with simple rustic trim, stucco or board and batten siding, exposed brick and shake roofs, and large windows.
In the TV series Breaking Bad, creator Vince Gilligan specified that Walter White's house be a rancher. He said he wanted it to look like weekend trips to Home Depot kept it looking tidy, but that it will never feature as the cover of Architectural Digest.
Why not let us know your favourite style of architecture in the comment section below?
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to us on YouTube.